after you flatten it out, we're going to make it big for the bucket. Now pause. Now you put it over the bucket. That's okay. Over the bucket carefully. Remove the side parts. Now if you want to make it a little bit more fun, you go here and blow. It's okay if it comes off. Boom.
Whoa.
Now you have a slime ocean wave. Is that cool, everybody? And also, if you want to have